Okay, there's one data type that's a little bit interesting, but is a concept in programming we need to be aware of and familiar with, and that is the none type. None and none type in Python. Often this value is called null. It's the absence of a value. So it's not the same as an empty string or zero or false. It's really to denote that there's nothing there. There's no value at all. Um, so what that is called in Python is none. It's a reserved keyword. We could set it equal to a variable if we desire. And if we print the type of that, it will output none type. So none is what represents the null value or absence of a value, and none type is the type of none. One interesting thing in Python, none is a singleton, meaning there's only one instance of that in Python. So just wanted you to be familiar with that. We'll run into this here and there throughout the course, and all it really means is that there's no value defined. So we'll see this in error outputs and other things like that. So wanted you to be aware, and that is none and none type.